Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could recall an email which you have sent by Outlook. So let's assume that you have been writing an email to a friend, and what happened is that you forgot to add few things, or you have sent the wrong email and you would like to recall it. So now we will just click send. Next step, we will click on the Gmail arrow and we will go to send mail. And here we will wait for our test mail to appear. So here is the email which I sent just a second ago. So I will double click on it to open. We will go to actions, and here we will click recall this message. You can select delete and read copies of this message, or delete and read copies and replace with a new message depending on what you need. And you must select tell me if recall succeed or fails for each recipient. You can click OK, and you can close the email and you can go to your inbox. Usually you will need to wait 1 minute to 15-20 minutes depending on the emails which you send, but usually you will receive an answer by few seconds later, and it should tell you if the recall was successful or it was a failure. So here, for example, it says that this email cannot be recalled, and this is probably because the recipient has already opened the email. However, if the recipient still didn't open the email, the recall should be successful. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us an email or just send us write us a comment, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.